This is a two-position 5-way double solenoid valve. This is a pneumatic cylinder. Do you know how they work together? Let's talk about the cylinder first. It is composed of cylinder tube and piston rod. The solenoid valve is composed of a valve body and a valve spool. The two sides of the valve spool are made up of permanent magnets, negative and positive. Internally wound coil on the right for cylinder retraction signal. Internally wound coil on the left side for cylinder extension signal. The coils on both sides control the signal output respectively. Then A and B outlet ports are connected to the cylinder with air tubes respectively. Connect to air supply. At this time, the controller sends the cylinder extension signal. Through electromagnetism, same-sex repulsion, the valve spool moves to the right. Air enters the cylinder from the A outlet port, exhausted from the S exhaust port. The piston pushes the material out. When the cylinder is in place, the extension signal is disconnected. At this time, the controller sends a cylinder retraction signal. Electricity generates magnetism, same-sex repulsion. Valve spool moved left. Air enters from outlet port B. Exhausted from the R exhaust port, the air pushes the piston rod to retract. To prevent the exhaust from being too noisy, you can add a silencer to the exhaust port. Finally, let's summarize. The two positions mean that the valve spool of the solenoid valve has two working positions, and the output gas can drive the cylinder to extend and retract. 5-way refers to the 5 ports of the solenoid valve body.